Hey Google, navigate home.
All right, home. Turn right onto Jane Street. Continue on Jane Street for 5 kilometers.
Hey Google, play today top hit on Spotify.
I can't find play today. Where did you want to navigate to?
Hey Google,
Hey, Mr. T, how can I help?
can you play Vietnamese top hit on Spotify?
Sure, the Spotify playlist called Vietnamese Top Hits. Here you go.
Hey Google, hey Google, okay, I can play the music from Spotify. I can stop the music from Spotify right here, and I can also view the camera, the front camera and the back camera of this car. See, that's a front camera. It's a live footage, and as you said earlier, you see earlier, you can view the back. It's a live view message, and it's been recording both front and back at the same time. And the way I also set up my home network is to view whatever the home assistant app, so I can basically control all the light switches from my home. let's see, I can turn on my bedroom on like that, and I can also do like turn all the lights off by hitting this button. Every lights will be off, and as you can see, this is my thermostat from Nest, and another that I also set up my camera. I can hit that. As you see, it's a live footage from my home, so I can view it by hitting that. And as you see, that's my home assistant app that I set up through the see, this is the car launcher that's from Car Web Guru. Hit here to come back, and basically my navigation appears on this one. If I stop, this one will stop, will tell me how many seconds or how many minutes it's, you know, it's counting down for the trip. And I'm away like 2.1 kilometers from Black Creek Drive in order to turn right. That's this information is accepting from the Google Map navigations. And the good thing about this one is that you can view the trip statistic for your trip. Let's check it out. You can hit this one to view, you know, yesterday or the day before, like on May 21st. That's like almost 100 kilometers of travel. That's a statistic that recording through the app, the car launcher app, and it's for today, May 23rd. That's how far that I've been traveling for just today, which is okay, you know. As you can see how much we've been driving. For this, I can also hit this one. So I can see the temperature right now. It's sunny at 15 degrees Celsius. Day, the time. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The one thing that I didn't even mention is that if I go into Bluetooth, I can make a phone call. See, that's connected to my phone, and if I please connect phone first, so because I got two phones right here, so I should be connected to one phone because I disable my Bluetooth, but you pretty much can connect to the phone first. Let's see if I can connect it. That's good. Oh. Something going on with there, but yeah. See, if I'm moving, the car's moving, this one will turn off. So my trip total is 18 kilometers so far since this you started. If you shut it off, it will reset it to 0. And yeah, that's it. Pretty much, it's Google Assistant driving app. I mean, you can, hey Google, driving mode.
Opening driving mode.
So basically, you can do it. Oh. See, that's a Google Assistant driving mode. Instead of like Android Auto, that you have to plug your phone inside a USB cable in order to activate the Android or Auto. But this is Google Assistant driving mode. Basically, I can read the message, your message that coming into this Android head unit, as well, but there's no way that this Android head unit can, see what's the message or what's a phone call from your phone. So you have to have a SIM card in this Android head unit in order to receive call, and then the Android and then Google Assistant will basically read your messages and connect to the phone. But I'm pretty sure I can connect to the phone, but just I didn't set up correctly.